In today's class, we will explore the subject of creating and editing graphs. Graphs are potent tools for illuminating numeric data in Excel, unraveling vast datasets, and elucidating relationships among diverse data series. Follow this guide to master the art of creating and refining charts in Excel. 1. Initiate with data input. In Excel, begin by inputting numeric data, establishing the foundation for your chart. 2. Crafting charts. On the Insert tab, explore a variety of chart types for effective data visualization. 3. Diverse chart types. Excel offers an extensive array of chart types and subtypes, allowing flexible data representation. 4. Combination mastery. Integrate multiple chart types to create nuanced visualizations, especially with combination charts. 5. Chart essentials. Grasp vital elements like chart areas, plot areas, axes, legends, titles, and data labels. 6. Tailoring Post-Creation. Customize charts by adjusting axes, adding titles, labels, legends, or data tables. 7. Professional layouts. Choose from predefined layouts and styles for a polished and professional appearance, adaptable to your needs. 8. Aesthetic elevations. Enhance charts with color-filled elements, diverse outlines, and captivating effects. Employ word art for text and number formatting. 9. Consistent themes. Sustain a cohesive theme using predefined styles that align with your organization's colors and fonts. 10. Chart templates for efficiency. Save time with chart templates, encapsulating preferred layouts and formatting. Craft visually appealing and informative charts effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.